Section 11-6, Part 2, Finding Measures of Exterior Angles. You are given that the measure of angle 1, this angle here, is 7x minus 8. The measure of angle 2 is 5x plus 1. And the measure of angle 3, this angle, is x plus 11. What is the measure of angle 1? Angle 1 is an exterior angle. And these two angles, angle 2 and angle 3, recall these are called the remote interior angles. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So I can write that the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3. We've learned that previously. So let's take their algebraic expressions that represent each angle and substitute them in for each one of these in the equation. The measure of angle 1 is 7x minus 8 is equal to the measure of angle 2 is 5x plus 1 plus the measure of angle 3 is x plus 11. Let's solve this equation. I cannot combine like terms on the left side because you cannot add an x to a constant. But I see on the right side I can combine my x's. 5x plus 1x is 6x. And 1 plus 11 gives you 12. So let's solve this equation. I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. I want to get my x terms on the left side. The 6x's cancel on the right. 7x minus 6x is 1x. Minus 8 equals to 12. Now let's add 8 to both sides. Solving for x, you want to get x by itself. Therefore, I have x equals 2. 12 plus 8 is 20. So x equals 20. We have been asked to find the measure of angle 1. Well, the measure of angle 1 was 7x minus 8. Now, what we must do is we must take the value of our x and substitute it in. So the measure of angle 1 is 7 times x. That's 7 times 20 minus 8. That's 7 times 20 is 140. Minus 8 would give you 132 degrees. So the measure of angle 1, is equal to 132 degrees.